आज हम जानेंगे हाउ टू चूज द क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया। सो वेलकम बैक टू दिस यूट्यूब चैनल ऑल ऑफ यू। सो पहले हम देखेंगे जो कि क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया है वो कैसे हम जानेंगे। ओके, सो जब हम स्ट्रेस लेते हैं, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर द स्ट्रेस? स्ट्रेस इक्वल टू, वी नो दैट स्ट्रेस सिग्मा इज इक्वल टू इंटरनल रेजिस्टिंग फोर्स F बाय द क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया A। ये हम सबको पता है। ओके, हियर दिस इज ए 3D body, you can see this is the plane 1, plane 2, this is the plane 3. Okay, suppose you can see this is the x-axis. Here the stress applied as sigma x. Okay, and you can see this is the stress applied sigma y in y direction, and you can see this is the stress applied in z direction. Okay, so this is very simple. We know that you can see here this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the z-axis for the 3D figure. So exactly this is the horizontal x-axis, vertical y-axis, and this is the inclined z-axis. Okay, so how to choose the cross-sectional area? Suppose its dimension are length and breadth are, you can see here, this is the 6 and this is the 4 and this is the 10. Okay, so this measures 10, and from this side to this side this measures the 4 cm, and from this to this here it measures the 6 cm. Okay, so first of all, how to find out the sigma x? Sigma x means the stress at x-axis. Okay, that formula is the F by A. Suppose sigma is we can say 100 Newton. Okay, 100 Newton applied in this sigma x. We have to write the force is the internal resisting force is given as 100 Newton. Okay, by the cross sectional area. So what is the area for sigma x? X means this area from here to here. This is the rectangle. Okay, so its area is length into breadth, means 6 into 4 is 24. Okay, it will be 4.16 Newton per meter square. This is the unit. This is the unit you have to remember, or Pascal. Okay, so this is 4.16 the answer. If you want to calculate the sigma y, the sigma z, then the same process by applying the formula force of sigma x, sigma y, and sigma z, then you will be easily calculate the cross sectional area. Okay, so here you have to choose the cross sectional area like this. So thanking you all of you for watching this video. For more video you can subscribe this YouTube channel. So thank you, see you in the next video.